In the name of Almighty God, the gracious, the merciful, respected students, you are most welcome in our online academy, the ESL Academy by Sir Rana. Our contact number is 0305 631964. You can visit our YouTube channel, the ESL Academy by Sir Rana. Just go to YouTube bar, type the ESL Academy by Sir Rana. You can view our lectures, or you can subscribe our channels. By subscribing our channel, you will be receiving our newly uploaded videos. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Once you click on bell icon, you will be receiving newly uploaded videos. Let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is gonna deal with feminism. You might have heard feminism theory, feminism movement. We are going to discuss about this theory, about this movement. What is feminism? First of all, feminism is a collection of movement and ideology. It's a collection of movement and ideology, establishing, defending political, socio-economic rights for women. You know, women is doing work all the time. She is a wife, she's a sister, she's a mother, and she's having many more relations. So what she does, she's doing all household work. She's dealing with children, she's dealing with brothers, she's dealing with sisters, dealing with the son and daughters. So she's looking after all people. And after that, there is no house for her. She's depending on father, husband, and ultimately son. So she's not having house for her. Like Virginia Woolf, she wrote A Rooms of One's Own. She wrote that female is not having any house. She is living in the house of husband, fathers, and son. Nothing else. So there is no house for her. Many writers, male writers also supported feminism. Like talk about the George Bernard Shaw, Henrik Ibsen, To the Lighthouse if you study. Henrik Ibsen or Jane Austen, Mary Evans, like George Eliot, Bronte's sister. So these writers, they supported even Adrian Rich, one of the American writers, Adrian Rich, Sylvia Plath. So all these writers, they supported feminism, and they were favoring female ideas. What were actually happening with the females? So please write it down. One important thing I wanna share you, because here in our lecture you are going to receive new idea. You will never ever heard all these ideas. So please write it down. There are some point I want to make you write it down. Charles Fourier was a person who first time coined the word feminism in 1837. Charles Fourier. Please write it, the name of the person. Charles Fourier was a person who first time coined the word feminism. Feminism means dependence. So what the female is depending? She's depending on husband, father, brother, son. Ultimately, she is living under their authority. She's being controlled by these relations. So what feminists demand? They demand that the female should be given liberty. She should enjoy equal right. She should be given right and property. She should be given good education. Her identity should be recognized. So she is not spoiled in a house and other household work. She is also deprived from her name. She is not having good name in education, in book writing like activity. So if you talk about the books, before liberation of the women, There was no name for the woman. No female writer was there. Female writers, they were suffering. Even they disguised themselves with the male name, like Mary Ann Evans. Like she used the name George Eliot. Why did she use? Because that time females were not given identity. They were not given good name. So 19 and 1980, that started in late 18th and early 19th century. So first wave of feminist that started in late 18th and early 19th century. So what happened there? The female demand in first wave. There are 4 waves of feminisms. Please write it down. First waves of feminisms. In first waves of feminism, female demanded. What did they demand? The people, they were supporting this movement. They demanded the female should be given good education, their right to live, right to get education, right to vote, and right to decide marriage or like other activities. She should be given proper education. She should be given a right for vote. She should be given good identity. She should be enjoying equal right with the male. So that was the first wave of feminism. Please write it down. The second wave of feminism. Feminists, they started demanding